Dropshipping can be wildly profitable when selling the right products. That's why knowing what products to sell in February is so important. What's up everyone, John back here showing you all what products will be going live in February that you could potentially sell on your dropshipping store and make a lot of money with these. Now in this video, I'm also going to attach a spreadsheet that shows all the products with all the different breakdowns and also some little hints and tricks on different targeting that I would use for these products. So definitely go ahead and check that out after the video. Now, as we go through these dropshipping products, I will explain a little bit about why I thought this product actually has potential, just so you get a little bit of an understanding about product research, how I do my decision making, and also why I think these are winning dropshipping products, because I can go ahead and just tell you they're winners, but if you don't understand my reasoning behind it, there's really no value to this video. So let's not waste any time, let's hop into these winning products and see what we got for this month. All right, so for the first product we got this, it's an aloe vera color changing lipstick. So not only does this actually moisturize the lips, but what it also does is it actually changes the color using the pH levels of the lips and gives your lips this kind of like nice pink color. Like if you look at this, it's actually pretty cool. I thought it's something awesome because it's not just a traditional beauty product, it's also something that's a little bit unique. It has a unique attribution to it, and also it has high potential for multi-orders, so it's super cool. Product number 9 is going to be this right here. So it's a micro steam iron. Now this product's really awesome because it's great for people that just want to do ironing or steaming at home, but also it's awesome for people that want to go and travel and take something like this. It's so small, they can use it in a bag like that. So all around, this product has a lot of applications for a lot of different groups of people, and that's why I think it has great potential. Also, you can mark it up because it has high perceived value, so I think it's definitely a product where you could get some really good profit margins in there. Product number 8 is going to be these scissors. No, I'm kidding. It's not going to be these scissors. Product number 8 is going to be this. It is a ironing brush, or like a hair straightener brush. Now, you can see how this product is so mesmerizing, how well it works, and that's why I think it's awesome, because it has several applications. It definitely shows how well the product works, and just in general, it's a nice alternative to traditional irons because it actually lets you do the brushing motion too, and I think it would work better on hair as opposed to a traditional iron. For product number 7, we have this product right here. Now, this product has been shown on social media quite a few times, but I think if you hit it with a different product angle like these people right here and also promote it on TikTok, I think it definitely has a really high potential of taking off like it has for them. Just because this product has low product costs, high profit margins, and generally a mass appeal, and they look relatively good too. For product number 6, we got this one. This one's quite unique. It's definitely a product I think has a really unique audience that you could target. Obviously, it's a humidifier, so it would work really well for people that want to meditate or have a calm kind of atmosphere, but it's really cool because it kind of looks like a fire too. So it's got the different colors to make it look like a fire. So I just thought that was a pretty cool product, so I added to the list, and you could definitely do a high markup on this product. Product number 5, we got this one. This one I think will actually do really well. If you look at the engagement right here, you'll see it already is doing really well for this company. But the reason why products like this do really well is because they're stupid. There's no other way of saying it. They're just weird little gimmicky products, but people that have pets, especially people that have pets that look like these ones, would just go absolutely crazy over these. You could easily sell them. It would be a great gift item. Just generally, it's pretty cool. And I think it's something that would definitely work really well on TikTok as well. Product number 4 is going to be this. So it's a hand massager, and this is something that's really great because anything to do with healthcare products work really well, especially on Facebook, because there's an older demographic on there. So if you can find something that would help people with hand pain, which is incredibly common, even I have a bit of hand pain, it's something that will sell really well because it solves a massive problem. So the profit margins on this are really high because it has a very high perceived value, and it has a very unique value to do with pain relief. So I think this is a great product and definitely could be sold for a lot of money. Product number 3 is this. So you'll see this video kind of shows the tactical gloves. This is something why I'm recommending it at this time is because as we come into springtime, summertime, tactical gloves tend to go up, and there's a lot more sales happening for these kind of products. So that's why getting ready for that and actually starting to market it is definitely a good option, because people will use this for outdoor activities, camping, gardening, like there's so many different applications, so it has such a high mass appeal, and generally the profit margins on products like this can be pretty good too. Product number 2 is going to be this. So it's a baby backpack that prevents babies from smushing their heads in. So it's super awesome because it has a very high emotional factor. It's really going to get parents engaged because they're worried about their kids. So you can definitely charge a little bit more money for these kind of products. And generally it looks pretty cute. I think it's a cool product, and it just attaches to the baby's back. So it's not really a big inconvenience for them, and it gives the parent peace of mind knowing that their baby is safe.
Got a challenge for you. Since you've made it this far, why not like this video and hit subscribe in the next 5 seconds, because I upload 4 new e-commerce videos every week. And if you're curious about what my life looks like in real life, go to my Instagram at Jonathan Molendyke and tap that follow button to find out.
All right, on to product number 1. So product number 1 is going to be this right here. It's definitely a product where it's going to have high potential for multi-orders because people will buy more than one, obviously, for several different furniture items. I love multi-order products, so this is super great. This goes, it attaches to your couches, attaches to your furniture, it keeps your cats from just shredding the crap out of all of your stuff that you love. So I think it has an emotional factor. It also has a good appeal for people that want to keep their things looking nice, and a high potential for multi-order. So that's why this one made it onto the list. Now, dropshipping product research is something I know a lot of you and a lot of people starting out in dropshipping struggle with. So that's why I post videos like this, giving you product ideas every single month, so you can always come back to the channel and get different ideas and also insights on how to find winning dropshipping products. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you all in the next video. There are so many different online business ideas that you can use to make money online. There's dropshipping and Amazon FBA. And if you're not entirely sure what the potential is for Amazon FBA, make sure you check out last week's video, because I break down the entire process of using Amazon FBA, and I also break down the potential and the downside of the business itself.